Hi everybody, my name is Miss Swail and this is Learn Papiamentu with me. Hi kids, today we are going to learn our shapes in Papiamentu. Can you say forma ng? Yes, the word shapes is forma ng na papiamentu. Nos forma ng our shapes. We'll start with circle. A circle is círculo. Círculo. Say círculo. Shape of a circle is círculo in Papiamentu. Do you want to try to catch all the círculo ng? All the circles. They're gonna come falling down, but you and I, we need to try to catch just the circles. Are you ready? Let's This shape is a square. In Papiamentu, vierkant. Vierkant. A square is vierkant in Papiamentu. Can you say that again? Vierkant. Hobibong. Let's say it again. Vierkant. Vierkant. Good job. Let's try to catch only the vierkant. No other shape. Let's try to catch the squares. Are you ready? Stand up, let's go. Good job, guys! You guys were amazing. This shape is a rectangle. Rectangle in Papiamentu is rectángulo. Can you say rectángulo? It's a longer word, but I believe in you. You can say it in Papiamentu. Okay, rectángulo. Good job! A rectangle is rectángulo in Papiamentu. Okay, let's try to catch only the rectángulo shape. All the shapes are gonna come down, but let's catch rectángulo. Are you up? Are you ready? Let's go! There's one. Another one. Oh, rectángulo. Got you. Do you see another rectángulo? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Good job, guys. Yay! This shape is a triangle. Triangle in Papiamentu is triángulo. Can you say that? Triángulo. Good job. Let me hear you say it again. Triángulo. Triángulo. Good job. A triangle is triángulo in Papiamentu. Let's try to catch only the triangles when they come down. Are you ready? Are you standing? Say sí. Say yes. Okay, hopi bong. Let's This shape is a heart. Can you make that with your hands? Like this, a heart? Good job. A heart is corazón. Corazón en papiamentu. Corazón. Yes, good job. Can you say that again? Corazón. Let me hear you say it. Corazón. Can you make a corazón with your hands? Yay! Good job! Okay, this is it, guys. Are you ready? We're gonna try to catch all the corazón, but you need to be ready to go. Are you standing up? Because they're gonna come down and we need to be ready to catch all the hearts. Good job! Hopi bong. This shape is a star. Star is estrella in papiamentu. Estrella. Can you say estrella? Let me hear you say estrella. Good job! Hopi bong. Estrella. A star is estrella in papiamentu. Okay, who's ready? This is our last shape. Nos último forma. We are gonna catch the stars. Estrella nang. Let's get up, let's stand, and let's go. Do you see stars? Do you see estrella? Here. I am so tired. Hopi kansa. We did so much today. I am so proud of you. Good job. Hopi bong. That was so much fun, everybody. I am so excited that you are here to learn Papiamentu with me. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!